Hello everyone, it's Marion with Marion Wallace Reflection Homes. Just want to add a little words of encouragement this morning. I'm sitting outside my office about to go in and get some work done, but I wanted to take time out to encourage somebody on this morning. I don't know who I'm speaking to, but I'm speaking to somebody. You're just starting your business. Things don't look like you think they should look, because you know why they don't look like you think they should look? You're looking at everybody else's business. You have to focus on your own business. You have to grow your business authentically and organically by being a good person and treating everybody well and performing above everybody else. But it's going to take you to focus. I want you to be that different person. I don't want you to be that person that's always so much just working, worrying about retirement. That's their number one goal. I want you to be that person that's living your life and enjoying your life and doing what you really want to do. Don't let anybody squeeze your dreams and your goals out of you. Be that other person that's going to step outside of the box of what everybody else says you should be doing. You're going to do what you want to do, and God's going to bless it. Because you know what? It doesn't matter where you come from or where you've been or what you've been through. What matters is God is no respecter of persons. He loves each and every one of us. We ask him for something, we knock on the door, and he's going to open it for us. So I want to just encourage you this morning. Just go out there and do your thing, and don't worry about what nobody else is doing. You do your thing, and God is going to bless it. And also, be a blessing to other people. That's going to get you further than just being a selfish person looking out for yourself. There's a lot of people out there that's selfish, that doesn't want to bless other people, that doesn't want to help somebody else move forward in life. Those people are stuck. They're stuck, and they're not blessed, because God blesses us to be a blessing to other people. So be a blessing to other people. Don't always just think about yourself or your own home life. Think about other people, and watch how God is going to bless you so much further in life. So I just wanted to send this little encouragement. I love you guys. Be the best you that you can be. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.